So I picked up this little 10-piece LED kit at Princess Auto. I think it cost me like 16 bucks, I don't know. And they look like this. There's a rubber gasket you can see around there. And if you take off the lights, kits on your Trx-4, fits exactly in that hole. Here's one with the gasket. Just poked right in there. And I cut the back plate so the marker light covers are still there, so it still looks scale. This is going to be epic. Also, while I was there, I picked up these 12-volt LED strips that are blue. These are going to be undercarriage lighting on the Trx-4. I've tested them all out, just bench tested. The light is great from all of these units. I'm in for a total like 35 bucks maybe. And it's going to be a lot better than anything I've seen so far. Bye.